be at the top of the line, and I go, you know, this could go either way. Anything that could go wrong seemed to go wrong. If I was going to catch an edge, I caught an edge, and I would catch it back. My first 3 lines of the year ended up in high-speed cartwheeling out the bottom. Get my confidence back up, go back out, beat down. And then one of the worst avy cycles I've ever seen. Every day I'd go out and be like, just come home safe, leave everything behind. It took all of my 10 years of experience to go out there and ride those mountains safely.